Headlock is not a particularly, I guess, trained behavior. It's very untrained. It's kind of like a desperation hold. Even with that being said, he might feel me start to walk around like this, and he might start walking with me, right? So if he keeps moving with me, I never really have that angle to step in front and sit my butt all the way across, right? The angle, I keep losing it. Every time I step and he moves, I keep losing that opportunity. So what I'm going to do is, instead of blocking the knee now, I'm going to tuck my hand under his near side knee like this, okay? So I'm not really grabbing anything, I'm just hooking the top of my wrist like that, right under the bend of his knee, okay? Now I'm going to line my foot up with his foot, my opposite foot is going to shoot through. And I'm going to sit through that way, okay? And then same deal from here, if he still keeps the headlock, slowly work your way into the technical mount. No rush to get there. As long as you're on top, as long as you're on your knees, even if you can't step over for some reason, you just end up here, you're fine, right? He's just holding your head, he's just squeezing, but it's not going to kill you, okay? So one more time. We're here. Got my head. I want to step across, but he keeps following me. So I change my hand under the near side leg. I step my foot back a little bit so that our toes are kind of lined up. So I'm not like in front of his foot. I'm lining my foot up, same toes facing the same direction as his. This foot here is going to straighten all the way through. You could also block his heel. Either one's good. Okay? And now from here, hands come over. Make sure your base is good. He might try to pull us back underneath. So make sure your hands are way out for base. Cool? Good try. So, on this side, block the knees. Good. I keep moving with you now. So this hand's going to scoop under my near side knee. You're going to line your foot up with my foot. This one shoots straight through, and then you pull my waist back. If I keep my head, good base here, I can't pull them around. Eventually, sweep the legs out of the way, step over, good, heel tight, make your frames, boom, done deal. Make sense? So one time without 10. Here and here, I'm trying to go in front, he circles with me. Your hand changes first, foot second, leg third. Okay, leg goes all the way through, I sit, and then pull right over. Cool? All right, let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3.